up, guys? Hope you all are doing well today. So today we're going to be talking about something that's really important in the world of credit cards. And this is the difference between a secure credit card and an unsecured credit card. But before we dive in, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, consider subscribing now to join this awesome community to get the latest and helpful videos for your financial success and financial wellness. And if you've been watching this channel but yet to subscribe, you are really missing out. Hit the subscribe button now to get the latest helpful videos. Thank you. Okay, so what is a secure credit card? This is not a prepaid debit card, right? A secure credit card is a real credit card that reports to the three major credit bureaus and requires you to put down a security deposit, which serves as your initial approved credit line. So many credit card companies require you to have a minimum security deposit amount before they open up a secure credit card for you. But you can choose to put down a higher amount that you are comfortable with. So if you're fine with putting down $100, $300, $200 more than the minimum, it's up to you. Most credit card companies will refund your security deposit at some point, right? So usually when you have fully paid your outstanding balance and you decide to close your account, that's when they refund your minimum security deposit or whatever deposit that you put down. So when should you get a secure credit card? A secure credit card is a good option for you during these two times. So pay attention. When you have a bad credit history and you want to rebuild your credit history, that's when you should think about getting a secure credit card, right? Then the other option here is when you have no credit and you want to establish a good credit history. So if any of these two situations define you or what you are in right now, then use the secure credit card responsibly and you will see your credit score improve over time. Normally, most people default to a secure credit card when they cannot qualify for an unsecured credit card. Now you might be wondering, how can you get a secure credit card, right? So how to get a secure credit card? Getting a secure credit card is fairly easy. It's a fairly easy process. Here are some quick steps for you to obtain a secure credit card if you are looking for one right now. So step one is look up credit card companies or banks that offer secure credit cards. Then step two, fill out and submit an application for a secure credit card. Step three, wait for an approval notification and get your minimum required deposit ready. So you want to have your minimum deposit ready, right? And then most credit card companies will allow you to make your security deposit online or over the phone. So if you feel like not going to the bank, you can do it online or you can do it from home, wherever you are. So step four, you want to make your security deposit and then you wait for your card to be mailed to you in the mail. This usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the banks to mail your credit score. Now, in some circumstances, your secured credit card application might be denied. I mean, it can be denied. And a few reasons for rejecting your secured credit card application include a record of bankruptcy, right? Then your tax liens, insufficient income to meet monthly payment obligations. So the recommendations for getting a secure credit card include sign up for a secure credit card that allows you to transfer your line of credit to an unsecured line of credit. This saves you the hassle of opening a new credit card account. So it minimizes the negative impact of an inquiry on your already improved credit score. So if you were looking to improve your credit score, a secure credit card is good for you. You want to watch out for annual fees, right? So sign up for secure credit cards that have 0 annual fees and 0 foreign transaction fees. Stay away from secure credit cards that require you to have a higher than normal security deposit. Only look for a secure credit card that offers you a strong cashback reward program. So there's so many cards out there and so many banks out there that will give you offers, cashback offers when you spend on your secure credit card. So you want to look out for those, right? So now, what is an unsecured credit card? This is the other type of credit card that I talked about earlier. So an unsecured credit card is the most common form of credit card out there. The word unsecured means that you have no security deposit or collateral with an unsecured credit card. As a result, credit card companies have a more stringent qualification process. Typically, unsecured credit cards have more benefits like lower interest rates and rewards that are harder for you to find with the secured credit cards, right? So you have more perks here and there when it comes to your credit rate and the kind of reward programs that you have available on your unsecured card versus your secured credit cards. Okay, so when should you get an unsecured credit card? An unsecured credit card is right for you if you are in good credit standing. So this means that if your credit score is already attractive and if you have an attractive credit history to lenders, then that's a good time for you to get an unsecured credit card. Also, if you have improved your credit score with a secured credit card and would like to increase your credit limit or improve your rewards or your interest rates, right, to get more competitive rates, that's when an unsecured card is good for you. So how do you get an unsecured credit card? Unlike a secure credit card, getting an unsecured credit line is not easy to qualify. I've said this before, banks are more strict, credit card companies are more strict to give you that versus a secure credit card. So with an unsecured credit card, your credit score is a major factor for the approval process. Keep in mind that your credit score has to be in good or excellent standing. So for you to be approved for unsecured credit cards, you have to have a good or excellent credit card. Here are a few things you can do to get an unsecured credit card, right? Step 1. Research unsecured credit card companies or credit cards that meet your needs. Step 2. Fill out pre-qualification form to see if you are eligible. Usually, there's no risk to your credit score because this is just, for the most part, a soft inquiry. So when you apply, it doesn't take a hit like when a third party does the inquiry on your credit score. Step 3. If you are pre-qualified or you are pre-approved, proceed to apply for the approval. Then step 4. Upon approval, your credit card will be delivered to you to the specified mailing address that you indicated in your application. Alternatively, if your application is denied, you can ask a friend or relative with a good credit history or good credit score to add you as an authorized user on an existing credit card account. And over time, you can improve your credit score to qualify for an unsecured credit card of your own. So this is a trick that most people who help you build your credit will advise you to use. And you have to trust the person, or the person is vice versa. Whoever that's adding you has to trust you. So recommendations for getting an unsecured credit card is 1. Sign up for credit cards that suit your needs. Various credit card offers, they offer options that serve different purposes to a wide variety of consumers. So you want to make sure you pick an option that serves your need. And the options range from travel, business, regular usage, credit level, balance transfer, and so on. Then 2, you want to apply for cards with 0 annual fees and 0 fraud liability, and also lower interest rates with no foreign transactions. Then 3, you want to search for credit cards with competitive reward programs, right? Upgrading from a secure to an unsecured credit card. What do you have to know about this process? Since an unsecured credit card does not require any of your own money, most credit card companies will see you as a high financial risk if you have bad credit or no credit. And this is typically the case no matter where you go. If you have bad credit or your credit is not existent, you will be seen as a huge financial risk. Ultimately, after using a secure credit card wisely for about a year, the majority of borrowers are able to qualify for an unsecured credit card due to an improved credit score. Using your secure credit card wisely and paying off your balances on time, keeping your credit utilization under 10% means a lot for your credit, and it helps you out a lot. In essence, just maintain a good credit standing. If you have a secure credit card and you have an unsecured credit card, all you have to do is maintain a good credit habit and your credit score will keep rising and rising, and you will always get the best interest rates and you will always have the best options with lenders. Okay, now that you've understood the difference between a secure credit card and an unsecured credit card, please smash the like button to help other people find this video quicker. And also, don't forget to share this video with them to help empower them with their credit journey. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, smash the subscribe button now and see you in the next video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.